Start with an oval nose, then outline the head and lightly mark the little horns. Finish the horns at the left eye and the right eye, and the cute smiling mouth. Draw the right ear and the left ear. Now add the giraffe's long neck, the body, and the legs. The front legs are small and the back legs are bigger. Add a little tail with a fluffy brush at the end. Finish the hooves. Now the most fun part, the giraffe spots. And our little giraffe is ready. Let's start coloring.